Your body still wants him, but your heart doesn't know how. It's confusing, isn't it? To be angry, heartbroken, and hurt, and yet still crave their touch. To want the very thing that broke you. This isn't weakness. This isn't desperation. This is trauma. Your body remembers the comfort they once gave, the warmth, the familiarity, the chemical rush of connection. But your heart remembers the betrayal. This is cognitive dissonance, and it's one of the hardest parts of recovery. You don't have to shame yourself for wanting touch, but you do need to slow down. Ask yourself, am I seeking comfort or am I avoiding pain? Is this connection or is it confusion? Touch can be healing, but only when it's safe. Only when it's mutual. Only when it honors your needs, not just their wants. When in doubt, pause, breathe, and remind yourself, craving isn't the same as consent. Your body might want to go back, but your healing is moving forward.